Open Google Sheets and create a new blank sheet. Rename it accordingly. As per our example, let's prepare it to import the meta tags, the title, and the descriptions corresponding related URL. Now let's use Google Sheets formula, which is IMPORTXML, to import the URLs. We have to import the URLs first because we'll need them to extract individual title and descriptions later. Replace the example.com with your starting URL, homepage in many cases. Here I am replacing it with my demo e-commerce website. Place it in the first cell and press enter. In the corresponding cell of your main URL, in another column, place the import XML formula for tag and so on for the description as well.